Lesson: Data Privacy and Protection Regulations in Blockchain. Data privacy and protection regulations are pivotal in the blockchain domain, a technology that inherently emphasizes transparency and decentralization. The dual objectives of ensuring privacy while maintaining immutability pose unique challenges and opportunities for compliance professionals. Understanding and implementing data protection regulations in this space requires a nuanced approach that balances the revolutionary aspects of blockchain with existing legal frameworks. Blockchain technology, characterized by its decentralized ledger system, presents complexities in data privacy governance. The General Data Protection Regulation of the European Union stands as a cornerstone in data protection globally, setting rigorous standards for data handling and privacy. The GDPR mandates that personal data must be processed transparently, lawfully, and for a specific purpose. In a blockchain context, the challenge arises in reconciling these requirements with the immutable nature of blockchain, which inherently resists data alteration or deletion. One practical tool to address this challenge is the use of permissioned blockchains, which allow for controlled access and data management. Unlike public blockchains, permissioned blockchains enable organizations to implement access controls and compliance mechanisms that align more closely with GDPR requirements. For instance, Hyperledger Fabric, a permissioned blockchain framework, allows organizations to set up channels that segregate data accessible only to authorized participants. This facilitates compliance by enabling selective data sharing and the potential for data modification in compliance with legal requests. Moreover, privacy-enhancing technologies like zero-knowledge proofs can also play a significant role in achieving data privacy on blockchain platforms. ZKPs allow one party to prove to another that a statement is true without revealing any information beyond the validity of the statement itself. By integrating ZKPs, blockchain systems can verify transactions and authenticate users without exposing personal data, thus aligning with privacy regulations while maintaining the integrity of the blockchain. The concept of pseudonymity in blockchain is another critical area for compliance professionals. While blockchain transactions do not explicitly reveal personal information, the pseudonymous nature of blockchain addresses can potentially be linked back to individuals through data aggregation and analysis. Therefore, it is essential to implement strategies that ensure the anonymity of participants. Techniques such as mixing services, which combine multiple transactions and outputs to obscure the trail, can help protect user identities. Real-world case studies illustrate the effectiveness of these strategies. For example, a study of the Monero blockchain, a cryptocurrency known for its privacy features, demonstrates the successful implementation of ring signatures and stealth addresses to enhance transaction privacy. These cryptographic techniques obscure the sender, recipient, and transaction amount, making it difficult for external entities to trace transactions. This case study underscores the potential for advanced cryptographic methods to achieve compliance with privacy regulations within the blockchain ecosystem. In addition to technological solutions, a robust governance framework is essential for ensuring data protection and privacy in blockchain applications. Establishing clear policies and procedures for data handling, access control, and incident response can help organizations comply with regulatory requirements. The implementation of a data protection impact assessment is a proactive measure that allows organizations to identify and mitigate privacy risks associated with blockchain projects. A DPIA involves evaluating the data processing activities, assessing the necessity and proportionality of processing, and implementing measures to address identified risks. Furthermore, cross-jurisdictional considerations are crucial given the global nature of blockchain networks. Data transfers across borders must comply with the data protection laws of each jurisdiction involved. The use of binding corporate rules and standard contractual clauses can facilitate compliant international data transfers. These legal tools provide a framework for organizations to ensure that data shared across borders meets the requisite privacy standards. Training and education of blockchain stakeholders are also vital to maintaining compliance with data privacy and protection regulations. Regular training sessions can help ensure that all participants understand the legal and ethical implications of data handling in a blockchain environment. This education should cover topics such as data minimization, user consent, and the rights of data subjects, including access, rectification, and erasure of personal data. Statistics highlight the growing importance of data privacy in blockchain applications. According to a survey conducted by Deloitte, 48% of respondents identified regulatory compliance as a significant barrier to blockchain adoption. This statistic underscores the need for compliance professionals to develop and implement effective strategies for navigating the complex regulatory landscape surrounding blockchain. In conclusion, the integration of data privacy and protection regulations in blockchain requires a multifaceted approach that encompasses technological solutions, governance frameworks, and cross-jurisdictional compliance mechanisms. By leveraging permissioned blockchains, privacy-enhancing technologies, and robust governance practices, organizations can align with data protection regulations while harnessing the benefits of blockchain technology. Continuous education and training of stakeholders further ensure that data privacy remains a priority in the evolving blockchain landscape.